Fears of a second wave rattled global markets on Monday. Stocks and oil were both under pressure as investors flew to safe havens, such as German government debt. Beijing reported its second consecutive day of record numbers of cases. Hospitalizations also rose in some US states. Data out of China also dented sentiment. Industrial output rose 4.4% in May from a year ago, less than expected. And retail sales fell more than predicted in a sign of weak domestic demand. Investors had been banking on a swift recovery. Those hopes were fueled by central bank and fiscal stimulus around the world, as well as optimism over countries emerging from restrictions. One analyst, though, told Reuters that markets are pricing a too optimistic recovery and there could be a reality check coming. The pan-European Stock 600 fell as much as 2.5%, with all sectors and regional markets trading deep in the red. That was after losses accelerated in the final hours of trading in Asia. Earlier, Japan's Nikkei fell 3.5% and South Korean shares tumbled 4.8%. Oil also fell on Monday. Brent crude futures fell 2.7% and BP slid 4.7% as it said it would incur an up to $7.5 billion write-down in the value of its assets. Oil investors await OPEC Plus committee meetings later this week that will advise the producer group and its allies on output cuts.